Hello there and welcome to my channel. So this is Zumi right here trying to give us a quick update on what's going on concerning the 2023 planting season. As you can see, nothing much is happening yet. Nothing is happening yet. We're still snowed in. This is my backyard right here. And you see all over the place is filled with snow. So nothing much is happening. But when nothing is happening outside, it doesn't mean something is not happening inside. So first of all, what is happening inside is all through winter, I like to keep the green around me to keep me happy and to give me hope that the planting season is just around the corner. So I have here bitter leaf plant. I have another bigger plant here, but I just try to keep them alive indoors so that when it's the weather gets better, I can multiply it out there. So that's how my bitter leaf plant survives the winter. And then I have here some dragon fruit, yellow dragon fruit. I started this from seed. And then I have here clementine. It's a citrus. We have here some cherries, Suriname cherries, and lots more thriving over here, the Suriname cherries. Here I have Nigerian, or will I call it African pear? Yes, so I'm experimenting with 3 trees. I can just hope. A girl can hope, can't she? I don't know if this thing is going to kind of give me fruit, but I'm willing to keep it for how many years it takes. And it's just an experiment. And then some other plants I have here. So this is basically what has been going on with me. Keep the green alive and keep hope alive. But like I mentioned, that something is not going on outside doesn't mean that nothing is going on inside. There's a squirrel right there having all the fun in the world. So this is a time for you if you're planning to grow anything, African vegetables, ugu, water leaf, all the rest of them. This is a good time for you to start sourcing for whatever seeds that you're planning to grow if you don't have them yet. Even if you feel like, okay, I know where I can find it online, I know where I can place the order. Sometimes things happen, sometimes things get missing in transit, and you don't want it to be that, okay, your order gets displaced and then you have to do that all over again and miss the perfect time to start your seeds. Another thing you also want to consider is that sometimes you might buy seeds and they are not viable. So if you have your seeds, now is a good time to also start kind of testing your seeds, the viability. Put some in a paper towel and see, sprinkle some water on it and put it out somewhere and allow it to kind of germinate if it will germinate. So those are some things you can do. So I just thought I'll give us a quick update, and coming soon on this channel, I'm going to start uploading what I am doing to get prepared for 2023 planting season. So if there's anything you would like me to share with us, on any information, any tips, anything you want to understand about growing plants or food in Canada, especially if you're planning to grow tropical plants, feel free to reach out to me and we can take it from there. I'll be glad to handle whatever topics you would like me to make a video on right here on this channel. So thank you for your time and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.